Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone has USB-C port and then plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now go to Settings, System, or enter Bluetooth and Devices, and now simply switch OTG to enable Pendrive connection. Thanks to this you can go to Files, Browse, and now you can browse your Pendrive internal storage. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.